Okay, guys. So now you have a necked chart. Okay, plain chart without any drawing. This is a Euro USD daily time frame chart. I want to show you a good example of the impulse and correction move. Impulsive and correction move. So, like I said, what's impulse and correction move in the forex market? The impulse move in forex or stock market is just a move, a strong move in the direction of the trend. Okay, it might be um it might all be let's say if it is an uptrend, it might be all bull candles and fewer red candles, fewer bearish candles. It depends on how the trend is formed, but it's just a strong move in the direction of the trend, while a correctional move is a weak, yes, a weak move in the direction of the in the opposite direction of the trend, sorry, against, that's just like that's against the trend, a weak move against the trend, that's in the opposite direction of the trend. So this is a daily daily time frame. The price is trending downward on the daily time frame Euro USD. So let's draw our trend line just to make sure. Okay, that's it. So this is a nice downtrend where you can catch a lot of opportunities, trade them, and make a lot of money. There is this saying that the quote that the trend is your friend. Okay, always trade in the direction of the trend. Don't go against it unless until the trend is over. So if the market is trending downward, who am I to, don't just go and start buying, or the market is trending upward and you go and start shorting the market without taking into consideration that this market is trending upward. Okay, so it's very important to trade in the direction of the trend. I'm sorry. So now let's figure out which one are the impulsive move and the correctional move in this particular chart. Let's use this arrow. Okay, you see this, the trend started somewhere around here. If you use your arrow, draw a straight line to this place. This is an impulsive move because the market was going down throughout at this particular, from the where the trend started to this point, the market was going down. Okay, this is another impulsive move. Okay, again, this is another impulsive move. These are strong move in the direction of the trend. So now let's figure out which one are the correctional move. Okay, so correctional move, we have one here. Let me change the color to blue so that just to differentiate. We have another one. This is another correctional move. Okay, so these are the correctional move. You see, these are weak. you know the market is moving against the trend. Okay, weak, and it's very weak. So don't go and start buying here, though this is some this is a support, right? Yeah, this is like a support. So some people will just go and start buying, going long, while the market is still going down. It's still trending down. This is just a correctional move, while some people will start buying and you will end up losing your money. So it's very important to always trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so now let's say uh how will you enter this market? Let's say the market somewhere was somewhere around here when you open your chart, market was somewhere around here. This is the place where I put this good, or yeah, this mark, this green mark, whatever. So let's say the market was at this point when you open your chart and you found out the market. So now how will you be able to trade? The market is going down, it's somewhere around here. You don't know what to do. Am I buying or selling? The market might reverse, I don't know. So you wait for the correctional move, for the pullback. This is the correctional move. So after the correctional move, what am I going to do? Well, the best thing to do, this is my strategy. I trade this on daily basis. The best thing to do is to draw your trend line. This is your trend line, and wait for the break of that trend line on the correctional, that's break of the correctional move. When the correctional that correctional move breaks this trend line, you know that that move is over. The trend is about to continue. That's just a pullback, whatever. The trend will continue. So, and another thing here, confluence is very important in forex trading. You can't just be trading just on correctional move. It will fuck you off. I'm sorry for using the F word. It will, make you cry sometimes. So you don't need to use um only one. Maybe let's say you some people will just be looking for correctional move and be trading. No, confluence is very important. So if you take a look at this, okay, at this point, this is a perfect breaker retest. If you know about the breaker retest strategy, this is a perfect one, a perfect. This is a strong, this is a support which the price breaks the support and now is retesting the support. So you see one, then the trend line, this is a third touch. If you take a look at the bigger picture of the trend line, this is a third touch on the trend line. Then one, and it is a break and retest, retesting that support which is now a resistance. Two, and then it breaks this correctional move, now going down. That's three. Now this is your entry after the close of this candle that breaks the correctional move. Some people will enter at this point. It's very risky. This is your entry. To me, this is your entry. Your stop loss will be somewhere around here, above the resistance, and that's above the trend line, and your take profit will be somewhere around times two. That's 1:2 risk reward ratio. Then you see how perfect that's how perfect you can always enter the market when it's trending downward or upward, if you have a nice trend like this one. And for example, if you take a look at this, let's just predict this. The market might go up and touch the trend line again, right? We wait for the market to pull back to uh, finish this correctional move, touch the trend line, and this will be another breaker retest as well. Yes, we wait for that. Then we draw our trend line after the correction. We wait for the break of that trend line. After the break, we enter, and that's it. It's very simple. But if the market breaks this trend line, then we know the trend is about to be over. So this is very important to know about the correctional and impulse move in the forex market.